quality of work and standards at Mott Electric are very high. They like everything to be as close to perfect as possible. Hypercharge's units and equipment meets that standard. This building is a EV ready plan, which means that they'll get the backbone installation to all resident stalls. From there, then the residents have the opportunity to install a level 2 charger. With the EVC11, you've only got the QR code on the front, which is a little bit simpler, just tapping your phone and you can then start charging. A mutual friend introduced me to Hypercharge. Following this project, I've brought Hypercharge in on many other installations. We have a very good rapport and their product is very good. Hypercharge's customer service is very responsive. I can call them at any time. One of the residents had an issue with the charger not charging. I called at 6 a.m. in the morning and it was resolved in 10 minutes. Hypercharge is the most cost-effective, the most supportive and the best quality for the cost.